to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove private number on your iOS device. Okay, let's dive into it. YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove caller ID on your iOS phone. In case if you're having your phone is showing private number once you call your friends. So let's do it. Go to your settings. Once you go in your settings, go to search. So let me go back. Go to search. Here is it. Search for call. Then you will see this phone icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, then scroll down to my call. Scroll down to show my call ID. Wait for it. As you can see, it's off. So we have to turn it on. Once you turn it off, now if you pay anybody, it will start showing your numbers. Thanks for watching.